your bright blue sky. Lonely night.
Hi everyone! So sa ngayon tignan natin kung ano mensahe ng Panginoon para sa ating lahat. I'm sensing non-stop. So anyway, we have this one. We have to stop. I'm kinda like sensing karma. We have this one. I feel like the money will be returned back to you and it shall not be stopped. At saka kahit anong mangyari, kahit na may pumipigil, you will go to the top as you can see here. We also have, wow, but when I hold this one, I feel like somebody will be jealous of you once that you have these good things coming into you. I feel like coming into your table. We also have this one in either way. Okay, I have a feeling that some of you sisikat kayo. Sa huli is what I sense. So we have this one. And we have the safe in either way. Okay, this is actually kinda like something is up. Kasi si safe ay naka in either way. Kasi feeling ko may pumipigil talaga ng iyong success. Kaya yung star natin ay naka in either way. But whether this person like it or not, talagang maging on top kayo. Despite of the blockages that these people have been placing upon you. Kasi first of all, this one is in upright. As you can see it. So you have the 26 here. We also have the moon. Okay, yusin lang natin. Marami pa kasing glass pebbles. We also have the best of friends, it's in reverse. We have the trust. Mag-ingat kayo. Kasi kung sino man na may gawa nito, ito yung tao na nagpapanggap na kaibigan nyo. Yung nakakalungkot dito is, kung sino man ito guys, parang turing mo sa kanya ay best friend. Kasi nakasulat dito, best of friends. And yung tao na to, hindi talaga mapagkakatiwalaan kasi si trust ay naka-reverse. So, we have the feel in reverse. And we have this one. So, isa sa katangian ng taong ito, ano siya, parang maldita, hindating. Kasi with the feel in reverse, ibig sabihin lang nun na parang wala siyang pakiramdam or wala siyang pakialam. Like, this person doesn't really care. Parang kung kailangan mo ng help, wala siya. Okay? Parang doon na siya for good times. But yet, kung kailangan mo na ng tulong, talaga, nakausong pa naman siya, pero yung talagang physical, wala. Yun yung nakikita ko dito. At meron ka na rin nakikita red flag na hindi siya mapagkakatiwalaan talaga. So, huwag mong baliwalain yung red flag na yan kasi napaka-importante niyan for you to identify who to trust and not. So, mag-ingat kayo guys, okay? So, with regards sa inyong career, huwag yung bibitawan yung bagay na nag-work out. Yun yung masasuggest ko sa inyo. Kahit nasabihin natin parang malabo or may illusion, parang hindi nyo alam kung sisikat o hindi kasi nakita ko naman dito na may parating na magandang balita. Siguro kayo ay beginning phase pa, kaya wag nyo madaliin kasi may chance pa yun na tumaas or umangat. So anyway, that's it with today's reading. I hope that this may give you some insight and awareness, and God bless you.